Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a level 40 Dunkleosteous from Jurassic World the Game. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our level 40 Dunkleosteous from Jurassic World the Game, let's begin with the eye. So I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make an oval shape and I'm going to kind of color this in, leaving just a little bit white towards the top. Next, starting back here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come up, and then I'm going to bring this down, and then I'm going to kind of curve it in. Then I'm going to bring this line down and curve it in. Then I'm going to bring this line down to a point and then up. Then I'm going to make another line that's going to come down and then up here. Next, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve down here. And I'm going to bring it around. I'm going to bring this line up and then down here. And then I'm going to bring this line up and then down. Next, I'm bring this down for the top part of the mouth. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to kind of come down to here. I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and then up, down, and then we're going to curve out to here. Make a big point here for one of the teeth. Then we'll make another one that's going to go up and down, up and down. I'm going to curve this into here. And then I'm going to bring this line back and then in. Then we're going to curl this up and then bring it down to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up. Then we're going to make a little bump and go down to here. We're going to make another bump, and then one here. Then I'm going to make a line that's going to come all the way out to here. Next, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down. Then I'm going to curl this line up to here. Then for the fin, we're just going to make a line that's going to come down to a point, and we're going to bring it up. We'll make a line here. And this time we're going to go up and down, and then we'll make it come to a point for another fin. We're going to bring this up, and then down, and then connect it to here. Then over here, I'm going to make another little line that's going to come down and up for the other fin, and then another one here. Next, over here, I'm going to bring this line up, and then we're going to come down, so it kind of looks like a shark fin. Now, we want it to look like this guy has a lot of armor plating on him. So I'm going to make a little line, so we're just going to come down and then connect to here. Then we're going to come down here. Next, I'm going to curve around and then up. I'm going to make a line that's going to come down to here. And we'll bring this up. Make another little line that's going to curve down to here. We'll make one here, and then a couple small ones there. We'll make one more, and then one final pointing one there. Next, I'm going to make some little kind of broken lines on the fins. And then a big broken line here. I want to make some little kind of broken lines right around here to kind of curve some stuff. And do a couple more there. I want to make a line that's going to come up here, and then we're going to make just some long, skinny lines on here. Just kind of make it look like it's got a lot of fins and stuff and lines on the tail. We're going to make some little broken lines kind of coming up each fin here. And we're going to make some broken lines here, and then some lines kind of coming up here as well. We're going to make some lines that curve around here. And then we're going to put some extra little lines kind of right around the face just for some extra detail. Kind of curve this in and then add a couple little extra lines and some lines on the teeth here. Then we're going to make just some long kind of little broken lines kind of right around here too. And there you go. There is your drawing of a level 40 Dunkleosteous from Jurassic World the Game. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.